Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to jumpstart a vehicle. Today we've got two examples. One is going to be a hybrid vehicle and one is just going to be a standard battery. So some hybrid vehicles have their batteries in the trunks, or they'll have them under the seat in the rear behind the passenger. So this is just going to be that example. The first thing you're going to want to do for one like this is pop the trunk, and then over here you're going to want to pop the hood. You're going to make sure that you have jumper cables before you start trying to jump two vehicles, so that way you don't waste time and you know you've got the tools that you need. Just going to pop the hood open really quick over here. And this right here is going to be your battery. Most batteries have a positive end so that you don't fry the battery and accidentally put a negative to a positive or a positive to a negative. This one you want to squeeze both sides and then pull up. And then on this vehicle, because it is that hybrid battery, you're going to want to take out this protective mat from the trunk. Easiest way to do that is to fold in and slide out. Then right here, this cutout is going to be where your hybrid battery is. You're going to pull these two tabs. And then again, it has that positive cover. This one you just pull up. When you're jump starting a vehicle, you want to grab your jumper cables. This one is separate. Some of them come together where the two split off at both ends. This one, you're going to connect the positive to the positive, and it's red so that you know that this is your positive cable. This is also red, you know it's to the positive. And then you're going to connect the black cord negative to negative. This part doesn't particularly matter as long as you're not putting negative to positive and positive to negative. I prefer to start with the negative. So you'll just hook up the negative. Just connect it to this little screw right there. To the negative, which is over here. Then you're going to start back over here on the vehicle that needs jumped. Positive. I'm just going to connect it to that little screw again. To positive. Let's see where it latches. There we go. So usually after this step, you're going to start both vehicles. You're going to start with the one that you're jumping from, which is going to be this vehicle, and then let it sit for a bit so that it puts the juice into the bad battery, and then you're going to start that vehicle. You're going to let it run a little bit because the battery needs to charge with what's coming from this vehicle, and then you can take the cords off. Usually you start from the bad battery, take them off, and then take this one off, and then you're good to go.